Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a private server or create one with your PlayStation 5. So if you want to go and join that, you do need a PC. Now, the first thing is you need to create another Roblox account and add it to the one on your PlayStation so you can see them on your friends list on the top. And then you want to log into that second account on your PC or your phone and just go to roblox.com. And then what you want to do is go to the server and create it on your PC, and then your PlayStation account should be able to go to that profile, go to click join server from that friends list. So just choose a game under here, whatever you want to play, and then go on over to servers, and then go to create private server. Now, some of these servers, they do cost some money. They're not always free. So just a heads up when you're creating it under there. But once you create the server, just make sure you have invite friends enabled, etc. And then you can just go to their name on your PlayStation 5 now. You can see the friends list on the top. Just go to that person's name, select it, and you should be able to just join their server if they're in it on your PlayStation or their PC. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.